Data, they say into this world, is the new oil. A kind of oil that fuels decisions, that drives businesses, government, and even our day-to-day life. In today's business setting, data analytics is a tool, a powerful one at that aids in making decisions, improving operations, and also predicting future outcomes. Someone is here wondering, okay, why is she saying all this? Why is she not going straight into teaching us how to use these tools for data analytics? Well, we can't just dive into learning these tools without understanding the concept of data analytics itself, most especially for those of us that just want to venture into this field. So what is data analytics and why is it so important? Let's check that out. So data analytics is a process of looking at data, which could be numbers, facts, or any kind of information just to draw trends, patterns, and useful insight that can help people or businesses make better decisions. The end goal is that those decisions will help them make profits or would provide solutions to whatever problem they are facing. So just imagine that you have a store owner and that owner is trying to track the record of people that visit their store and what they purchase. Using that information they get, they can, know the kind of product to stock more and also what kind of sales they should offer. That is data analytics in action. Data analytics is not just something you jump into. There are processes and steps involved in it. And number one is data collecting. What do you want to analyze if you don't have data? What is data analytics without data? So this is a process or a step where you gather data or information from different sources. This data could be numbers, text, even photos or videos. So using that example of the store owner, data collecting could be them tracking the number of customers that visit their store, the number of orders they place, or the amount that they spend in purchasing those products. That is that on data collected. Number two is data cleaning. Data cleaning. This is a process whereby you remove errors, duplicates from the data. You just clean data and make it ready for use, ready for analysis. Example is if maybe the person in charge of recording the number of people that visit the store forgets to record that for a particular day, or maybe the person made a mistake in the name of a particular customer, or the person maybe imputed the record twice. So data cleaning could be trying to fix those errors, trying to remove duplicates, trying to correct maybe improper or incorrect values or sales amount. That is data cleaning. The next step is data exploration. This is the step where you sit back, relax, and take a good look at your data, trying to understand what exactly is in that data or what it entails. An example could be you try to check the most sold product or the days at which we have or make the highest sales. The next one is data analysis. At this point, you try to use all tools and techniques to find trends, insights, and patterns for your data. From your data, An example could be trying to check out, or you notice that on hot days and on weekends, we sell ice cream more compared to some days. A trend has been noticed, a pattern has been noticed. The next step is interpretation and reporting. This is the point where you begin to interpret your data in simple terms and presenting that data to stakeholders or people that would like to understand what is it you've analyzed. Trying to tell them what you've gotten from the data you've been working on so far. An example could be that you're trying to tell them, okay, promoting the sales of ice cream on weekends where the weather is hot will help us boost our businesses. So these are the processes of data analytics. We have four main types of data analytics, which are the descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. So what is descriptive analytics? This is a type of analytics whereby you describe things that happened in the past. An example could be that store owner trying to review his or her sales reports to know the number of sales made last month. The next one, which is diagnostic, is you trying to explain why things happened. So next example could be that store owner made no sales last month. So the person is trying to know what happened. Why did I make low sales last month? Was it because of the weather, or I didn't advertise enough? So trying to understand these factors, trying to understand this reason is called diagnostic analytics. The next one is predictive analytics. This is a type of the analytics whereby you use historical data or data from the past to predict what is going to happen in the future. I remember that store owner and has noticed that on days whereby the weather is hot, on weekends when the weather is hot, they tend to sell more ice cream. So you see that information gotten, that pattern, that trend that they've noticed. They can also predict that, okay, if on hot days, hot weekends, we sell more ice cream, then next week, if the weather is going to be hot, we're going to sell more ice cream. That is for predictive analytics. So the next one is prescriptive analytics. This is suggesting an action to get a desired result, a desired outcome. So using the information of noticing the trend that on days when the weather is hot, weekends when the weather is hot, we tend to make more sales. They can continue that way that, okay, anytime the weather is hot, just produce more ice cream. Make more ice cream because we're going to make sales at it. Because we know that anytime the weather is hot on weekends, we sell more. These are the four main types of data analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. I've had people mistake data analysis with data analytics severally. Many at times don't even know what data analysis is and what data analytics is all about. They mix them up. What is the difference between data analytics and data analysis? We all did mathematics in school, right? And we are taught set theory. So if I say set B is a subset of set A, it means that every element in set B can be found in set A. How does this relate to data analysis and data analytics? It means that data analysis is a subset of data analytics. This data analysis is found inside data analytics. So what is data analysis? Data analysis is you understanding your data and using it to understand past events. Why data analysis is much more broader, and it uses multiple methods, of which data analysis is inclusive, to draw insights, predict future trends, and also to make better, well-versed decisions. An example of data analysis is a company trying to know why they made low sales last month. Why an example of data analytics is a company trying to know why they made low sales last month, also trying to predict their future sales, and also trying to create a plan on how to boost the performance of their sales. And you see that you can find data analysis inside data analytics. That is just the difference. Alright, so why is data analytics very, very important? With data analytics, business can make better decisions. With data analytics, they can understand trends and patterns in their data. Also with data analytics, it saves time and money. Alright, so this is that on Data Analytics 101. I hope we've been able to get one or two from this video. As usual, don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Alright, bye.